Hello everyone, I hope you're very well. So as you can see, we are in the new van, and I had filmed some footage of the renovations of the van, but there isn't quite a narration and there isn't an introduction or an end to that video, so I thought I would just give you a warning before you start watching the video, otherwise it might be a bit confusing. I think I'm gonna do a separate van tour of the van, just because I don't want this video to be too long. But yeah, I just wanted to share with you a little bit of an insight of how it was renovating the van, and I shall see you soon. Bye bye. Bye. Bye from Odie. Bye bye. Today is the day where we get the van, or well, Florent gets the van, and I'm just waiting in Pam. He's somewhere over there talking with the guy and getting all the papers sorted, and I'm just so excited to see how it looks from the inside. I've seen some pictures and it looks quite nice, but yeah, I'm just looking forward to see if it's as nice as I think it is. And yeah, it's all very exciting. We've got a van. So today we are at Castorama, a big DIY shop in France, and we made a list of all the things that we need to renovate the van, because I'm gonna show you in a second, but the van is already kind of converted, but we're gonna make it a little bit more homely, because right now it looks like a hospital room. So I thought I would show you how it looks now, and then we're probably gonna show you how we you know, put some touches here and there. And yeah, let's go and have a look. Florent is outside because I told him I can't film anything if he's around, because I get too shy. But okay, so this is the van. I know it doesn't look like much. Odie is down there, but I'm gonna go on the back and show you a little bit better. Woo! So that's a fridge that came with it, but we're gonna get rid of it because it's just huge and it doesn't serve any purpose. It's just a very old fridge. But so here's the kitchen. It has 2 hobs and a little sink, but as you can see, it's like on a very kind of old brown. So we're gonna paint this, and then there's some shelving inside. There's another shelf here with a waste tank, and then here there's just a lot of space everywhere that hasn't really been used. So we were thinking of putting some shelving probably, or some magnetic strips, and some kind of something to avoid splashes on the wood. And then here we've got the little seats, and again we're gonna paint those. And under the seats there's a lot of storage. Oh, and there's a toilet as well, but I think we're gonna get rid of that too. Whoop. And then there is a huge bed here, which I don't know if I'm gonna be able to show you. Maybe I'll show you later. But basically it comes down here. It's a double bed, and on the back we were thinking of putting some cladding to make it more homely again. But yeah, we just we gonna go in and hopefully get everything we want to have to make some changes. And also the vinyl is like very old and it's coming off, so I think we're gonna buy some new vinyl. But yeah, I'm very excited. I think right now it looks like an old grandma house, so I can't wait to just put my hands into it and like get it fresh and ready to roll. So let's go. And Odie, you're gonna be here. I don't think you're allowed. Why are you sitting with your bum out? Why are you sitting with your bum out? You good boy. So this is the little van from the outside. Oh, it's busy. It's a little Trafic from 2000. What year is it? 2000. 2000. It has mirrored windows, which is good because you can't quite see inside. So that's the list of things we need. Got paint, wood top, magnetic strip, cladding strips. So let's go and shop. So we found the paint, and we're gonna paint the kitchen with...
Doesn't this look like a nice
teal? Teal, what is it called?
Petrol blue.
Is Odie boy sleeping? Hi, sweet doggy! Hi! well, we've got a little plank of wood, a little strip of wood, and a jigsaw. So it's the day after, and today is the day we start painting this bad boy and starting to make some changes to it. I'm really excited, and this is how it looks now. Whoop. So it has this like brown old style color into it, and so I think we're gonna start with the paint, with the white paint on top, on the sides, and on the kitchen we're gonna color it with that teal color we bought yesterday. So let's get started. You ready, Odie? And this is today's fashion choices. So we're gonna use this white paint for the roof, but before we need to sand some of the angles where the paint is coming off. Tick, 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 tick. So we did our first layer of white paint, and it's looking alright. Now we're gonna cut the worktop for the kitchen. So we bought this pine wood that we're gonna put on top of the kitchen, because otherwise there's no lid or anything, and this could come useful to put stuff on, and also it looks a lot nicer than just that. And we bought a little jigsaw yesterday, so we're gonna just so here there's a space that hasn't been used at all, and I don't really understand why. So I think I'm gonna try and build a little cupboard library type by just adding a bunch of wood there and then some shelving. Hi, Odie boy. Hi, my sweetie doggy. So that's the finished library. I'm quite pleased with how it looks. Obviously now it's full of books and things, but basically I just added a plank of wood on the side, and then I also added a little door where you can store things. And yeah, it is quite tiny because we had to leave some space for the back seat to be able to, you know, go backwards if it's ever needed. But yeah, that's the little library finished. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.